Welcome back to my channel, space enthusiasts. A new week has dawned, brimming with promise, especially for those eagerly awaiting SpaceX's next Starship test launch. If all goes according to plan, liftoff could happen as early as Friday, pending regulatory approval from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, and other relevant agencies. In a recent development, SpaceX successfully completed the sixth D-stack of Ship 25 from Booster 9, with hopes that it might be the final one. The removal of the hot staging ring signals progress, but in the world of space exploration, certainty is a rare commodity. Elon Musk, SpaceX's CEO, expressed confidence in this iteration, assuring followers that the issues leading to the failure of the first test flight had been addressed. Musk's optimism was evident in his tweet from September, where he stated, "Much higher chance of success than Flight 1 this time. I think we have around a 50% probability of reaching orbital velocity." However, he acknowledged that even achieving stage separation would be considered a win. Before conclusions can be drawn, the FAA must issue a launch license for the second test attempt, following its safety review completed in October. Musk, known for his candid remarks, shared amusing anecdotes on the regulatory challenges faced by SpaceX during a recent podcast episode. From acquiring fishing licenses for rocket launches to experiments involving SEALs wearing headphones, Musk shed light on the intricate and sometimes humorous nature of bureaucratic hurdles. While the FAA has granted approval, the final nod from the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, FWS, is pending. Musk humorously suggested purchasing a fishing license, adding a playful twist to the intersection of space launches and wildlife regulations. The narrative took an unexpected turn, with concerns about rockets potentially colliding with sharks and regulatory authorities sharing data hesitantly within their own organization. In a surreal scenario, Musk highlighted an organization's worry about the impact of rocket launches on whales in international waters. He questioned the logic behind such concerns, emphasizing the vastness of the ocean and the minimal likelihood of encountering a whale. Musk's storytelling showcased the peculiarities and, at times, irrationality of bureaucratic decision-making, adding an entertaining element to the regulatory saga. Despite the amusing diversions, the focus remains on the impending Starship test launch. The delay is contingent on the FAA's issuance of the launch license. Musk's storytelling not only provided insights into regulatory challenges, but also revealed the lengths to which these processes can go. In related news, discussions about funding and resources for the FAA's Commercial Space Office surfaced. A top Department of Transportation official suggested that the launch industry contribute to additional resources for the FAA's Commercial Space Office. Industry witnesses had recommended a significant budget increase, but the Deputy Secretary of Transportation hinted at competing priorities within the FAA. The tension between the launch industry and the commercial aviation industry regarding airspace access was evident. The demands of a new licensing regime for commercial launches, called Part 450, added complexity to the discussion. Industry concerns about delays in the licensing process were met with arguments about the necessity for a timely evaluation. As the commercial space landscape evolves, debates over funding and regulatory processes persist. The delicate balance between ensuring safety, promoting competition, and addressing the industry's needs remains an ongoing challenge. With exciting developments on the horizon, space enthusiasts eagerly await the next chapter in SpaceX's journey. That's it for today's episode, everyone. Thank you for tuning in, and if you're passionate about space exploration, consider supporting us on Patreon for exclusive content. Until next time, keep looking up.